Hello and welcome to the latest episode of Web3 News. In today's episode, we will be discussing a recent event in the tech world that has created a buzz on social media and affected the market value of one of the largest tech companies. Google's parent company, Alphabet, recently lost $100 billion in market value after its new AI chatbot, Bard, made a mistake in an ad demo. Google had launched Bard as a competitor to Microsoft's AI chatbot, ChatGPT. In an ad that ran on Google's Twitter feed, the company described Bard as a launchpad for curiosity and a search tool to help simplify complex topics. An accompanying GIF prompted Bard with the question, "What new discoveries from the James Webb Space Telescope can I tell my 9-year-old about?" The chatbot responded with a few bullet points, including the claim that the telescope took the very first pictures of exoplanets, or planets outside of Earth's solar system. However, the ad was met with criticism as it was pointed out that the claim about exoplanets was incorrect. In reality, the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope took the first pictures of exoplanets in 2004, a fact confirmed by NASA. Social media users quickly pointed out that Google could have fact-checked the claim by, Googling it. The ad aired just hours before Google's senior executives touted Bard as the future of the company at a launch event in Paris. By Wednesday, Alphabet shares had slid as much as 9% during trading hours, balancing out by the day's close. Meanwhile, shares for Microsoft, Google's rival, rose by 3%. Microsoft recently announced that it would incorporate ChatGPT into its products, such as the Bing search engine. AI technology has recently taken Silicon Valley by storm, but it also raises concerns about biased answers, increased plagiarism, and the spread of misinformation. AI bots are often perceived as all-knowing machines, but they frequently state incorrect information as fact because they are designed to fill in gaps. The recent flurry of AI innovation comes amidst widespread job cuts in the tech sector, with Alphabet cutting about 6% of its global workforce, or 12,000 jobs, last month. And that's a wrap for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed learning about this interesting event in the tech world. Stay tuned for more updates and insights from the world of technology and beyond. The mistake made by Bard highlights the importance of fact-checking and ethical considerations in the development and use of AI technology. Although AI technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we search for information, it's important to remember that it is still fallible and has limitations. Thank you for watching, and until next time, goodbye.